scavengers and sycophants and flatterers and fools, Pharisees and parasites and hypocrites and ghouls, calculating swindlers, prevaricating frauds, perpetrating evil as they roam the earth in hordes, feeding on their fellow men, reaping rich rewards, contaminating everything they see, corrupting honest men like me. Humbug! Poppycock, balderdash, blah. I hate people. I hate people. People are despicable creatures, loathsome, inexplicable creatures, good for nothing, kickable creatures. I hate people. I abhor them. When I see the indolent classes sitting on their indolent asses, gulping ale from indolent glasses, I hate people. I detest them. I deplore them. Fools who have no money spend it, get in debt, then try to end it, beg me on their knees, befriend them, knowing I have cash to lend them. Soft-hearted me, hard-working me, clean-living, thrifty, and kind as can be. Situations like this are of interest to me. I hate people, I loathe people, I despise and abominate people. Life is full of cretinous wretches, earning what they're sweating as fetches, empty minds whose pettiness stretches further than I can see. Little wonder I hate people, and I don't care if they hate me.